We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Time to talk some weather. KIMT Storm Team 3 Chief Meteorologist Aaron White joins us now.
All right, Aaron, what are you tracking?
Tracking just a few different things as we go through the forecast. A lot of ups and downs in our temperatures, but also the chance for some snow as we go into tomorrow night and early Wednesday morning. And accompanying that could be some wind, and that could cause a little bit of blowing snow as we go into the day Wednesday as well. But let's talk about those temperatures because they are going to be dropping from tomorrow. We're calling for highs right around freezing, the melting points. So there will be some snow melting as we get into the day tomorrow, especially if we get a little bit more sunshine through the afternoon. But there you go. High temperatures dropping down, maybe close to zero, maybe 1 below zero for an afternoon high on Thursday. So some more Arctic air is on the way. Then we go back up and then we drop back down before we actually see temperatures a little bit better, possibly towards the early start of the next work week into the lower 30s and melting some more of that snow. Right now, though, it is a little chilly, but better than it was over the weekend. We are at 25 now in Mason City as we're taking a live look, looking down towards the south and southeast there across the city. Sunshine still continues. A few high clouds starting to roll on in. And in Rochester, just a touch cooler, 19 degrees this hour. And we are going to be dropping through the teens as we get into the evening hours, but really not too far because the south wind and just that warmer air that's kind of building into the region for the day tomorrow. So even as we get towards the 9 and 10 o'clock hour, we're still into the mid to upper teens. South winds of about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So overall, a chilly night, but a lot better than it was back over the weekend. And then by tomorrow morning, as you're heading out the door, we are up into the lower 20s, around 22 degrees, and we are heading into the 30s by tomorrow afternoon. So as kids are heading off to school tomorrow morning, back to school for the new year, 21 degrees in the morning hours. We are into the upper 20s to right around 32 for a high during the afternoon. And then we're talking about the chance of snow. Now, during the afternoon, we should be dry, just a lot of cloud cover. The snow shower is really not going to arrive until late tomorrow evening into the overnight hours is where we're looking at the bulk of the snow. And honestly, we're not going to really see a lot of snowfall. It's going to be just a really quick system passing through. More of the snow is going to be to the north into parts of North Dakota, central and northern Minnesota around Duluth and into parts of Wisconsin. We're going to just kind of get clipped by it here in North Iowa and southeast Minnesota, but it will be just enough to give us maybe a dusting to a couple of inches at most. But I think most of us will see a dusting to around an inch by Wednesday morning. Looking at Sky Tracker 3 going through tonight, there will be a chance we could see some patchy fog developing for some areas that saw a little bit of that snow melting today. Not going to see widespread fog, but there is going to be that chance for some fog to develop through tonight into your Thursday morning. So notice where we're seeing some more of that, just more of that concentrated area of cloud cover. That's potential for fog through the overnight hours. And then overcast skies for tomorrow. And then we get the snow arriving by tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. And as you can see there, really wasn't that much. So I think a trace to maybe a couple spots picking up at most 2 inches of snowfall going into the day tomorrow. For tonight, though, no snow in the forecast, 15 degrees. And as we look at our 7-day forecast, where the weekend is always in view, showing highs a lot colder, -1 for a high on Thursday. We are back up to 25 by Saturday and tracking colder air, but more sunshine by your Sunday and Monday.
All right.